Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 11 for CBSE board, chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from 13.4, question number 4. Okay, now a container first thumb shape. Now this is a container. Height h is equal to 16 centimeter. Upper radius is R1, which is greater, therefore it is R1 is equal to 20 centimeter. Lower radius is equal to R2 is equal to 8 centimeter. And therefore volume of container is equal to pi upon 3 R1 into R1 plus R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 into H. Substitute values. So therefore volume is equal to 3.14 upon 3 into bracket 400 plus 64 plus 160 into 16. Simplify this, you will get 3.14 into 624 into 16 upon 3. So is equal to 3.14 into 0 into 0.0 into 208 into 16. So this and this is divisible. 208 into 16, and if you simplify this, you will get 10,449.92 cm cube. And therefore volume of milk in container is equal to, so this you convert into liters. So this is, 1 cubic centimeter is 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter, and therefore here you divide by 1000, so that cm cube convert into liter. So the volume of milk in container is equal to 10449.92 upon 1000 liter, and that is equal to 10.44992, that is approximately 10.45 liters. Okay, and now the cost of milk is equal to rate into volume, that is liter. So is equal to 20 into 10.45 gives you rupees 209. Now then next part, L is equal to slant height is equal to under root h square plus R1 minus R2 square, and is equal to under root 256 plus 144 gives you under root 400, and hence L is equal to 20 centimeter. And therefore area of metal sheet is equal to curved surface area plus area of bottom. So is equal to pi into R1 plus R2 into L plus pi R2 square. R2 square. So this is 3.14 into 28 into 20 plus 3.14 into 8 into 8. So 3.14 you take common. So this is 560 plus 64, and is equal to 3.14 into 624, and if you multiply this you will get 1959.36 cm square. And therefore cost of metal sheet is equal to rate into area. So that rate is given 100 cm cube, 8 rupees per 100 cm cube, and therefore it is equal to 8 upon 100 into 1959.36 gives you 156.7488, and therefore cost of metal sheet is equal to 150 rupees 156.75. This you convert into 75. So question number 5. A metallic right circular cone 20 centimeter high and whose vertical angle is equal to 60 is cut into two parts at the middle of its height by a plane parallel to its base, if the custom so obtained be drawn into a wire of diameter 116 centimeter, find the length of the wire. Okay, so this is also important example. All these examples are very important, so you concentrate, because in this case calculation is slightly complicated. Okay, now try to understand solution. Now this is a cone and this is cut off by plane parallel to base here at px. Okay, now mechanic right circular cone height h is equal to 20 centimeter. So this height is 20 centimeter cut in the middle. That means this height means height of postum is 10. So vertical angle is equal to 60. So this is 60 as shown in the figure. A plane cuts the cone at the middle of its height and therefore AQ is equal to 10 centimeter, and therefore DQ means this is equal to height of postum, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 60 degree and AB is equal to AC. So therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. AD is perpendicular to BC base and therefore AD bisects the BC, and therefore AD is bisector, and also AD is bisector of angle A, and therefore triangle ADB is 30 60 90 triangle. So therefore AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 AB, side opposite to 60 degree, and is equal to 20 is equal to root 3 upon 2 AB, and hence AB is equal to 40 upon root 3. BD is equal to 1 upon 2 AB is equal to 20 upon root 3 centimeter, and therefore R1 is equal to 20 upon root 3 centimeter and R2 is equal to 10 upon root 3 centimeter. So from the therefore volume of postum is equal to pi upon 3 into bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 into H. Substitute values: pi upon 3 into bracket 4 upon 3 plus 100 upon 3 plus 200 upon 3 into 10. If you simplify this, you will get 7000 upon 9 pi cm cube. Statement number 1. Let length of the wire, which is cylindrical, be L, and therefore volume of wire is equal to pi r square into H. So pi into 132 into 130 upon 132 into L is statement number 2. So volume of wire is equal to volume of postum. So pi into 1 upon 32 into 1 upon 32 into L is equal to pi into 7000 upon 9. Okay. And therefore L is equal to this pi and this pi get cancelled. L is equal to 7000 into 32 upon 9 is equal to 7168000 upon 9. If you simplify this, you will get 796,444.44 centimeter, and this centimeter you convert into meter dividing by 1000. So it is equal to 7964.44 meters, and hence length of the wire is equal to 7964.44 meters. Okay. Now go through this example again so that you understand. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.